Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Weal Maker water gun. First, carefully unbox all the components. You should find the main water gun body, a water tank, and possibly some small accessories. Take a moment to inspect everything for any damage or missing pieces. Ensuring all parts are present and intact is the first crucial step before you begin assembly or filling. Next, let's fill the water tank. Locate the cap, which is usually on the top or side of the gun. Unscrew it by turning counterclockwise. Fill the tank with clean, fresh water, making sure to leave about 1 inch of space from the top. This prevents spills and allows for proper pressure buildup. Once filled, screw the cap back on clockwise until it is completely tight and secure. Now it's time to prime your water gun for action. Point the nozzle in a safe direction, away from people or delicate objects. Begin to pump the handle or squeeze the trigger repeatedly. You'll notice air coming out at first, but keep pumping until a steady, consistent stream of water emerges. This process removes all the air from the internal system, ensuring your water gun is ready for maximum soaking power. Finally, you're ready to enjoy your Weal Maker water gun. Simply aim at your target and either squeeze the trigger or pump the handle to unleash a stream of water. Remember to refill the tank as needed during your play. After all the fun, it's important to empty any remaining water and allow the gun to air dry completely. Store it in a cool, dry place to keep it in great condition for many adventures to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.